Well, ladies and gentlemen, the rush is beginning. Here we are. We are just left Endicott, Washington, and we're outside of Endicott a couple miles, and we're seeing the very beginnings of the wheat harvest in the Palouse. It looks like this is the first actual combining that we've seen this year, or at least that I've seen. So anyhow, let's see if I can do a little bit of a zooming action here. Nice Case IH. Doing some cutting. Looks like he's just opening up the field. And he's going to slip behind a little hill, and we're going to drive down and see if we can catch him at the other end. Okay, he's come out the other side of that little hill. Not much of an angle at this particular spot. Making lots of dust. And maybe we can see over here he's got looks like a Freightliner truck, waiting to see he's going to dump a load. Kind of using the back of my Jeep to steady myself here. A bit breezy, which seems to be working in our favor right now. It's blowing the dust away from me, so I'm not going to get covered. Yeah, we've seen a lot of wheat today that looks like it's just about ready, and often things don't start for another 10 days, 2 weeks. It obviously varies from season to season, and I see the truck move, so we must have a buddy in there. We're going to do some unloading. So this is the beginning of the harvest for 2014. It's the 20th of July, so it's kind of early. Just thought I'd take a spin down through the Palouse today, see what was going on. Been on the road for a few hours now. This is the first action we've seen. Got my wife riding shotgun today, and we've just been kind of playing tourist down through the Palouse area. Into the big city of Sprague and Endicott and St. John's. Just kind of wandering around having a look.